Give me the money, Jared. We don't do finish now. Give me, I no get time. Give me the money.
What's going on?
Oh, madam, I know this I no go pay your money. You no go calm down. That's how they behave.
Make I calm down. It is I get time. I shall no get time. People they wait for me. Why you go tell me say make I calm down? Give me the money now. You can't before they do am.
No man, no son, I know they get time. But at the same time, I was supposed to calm down. You they get? I carry you, I know this I no go pay you. So they hook me for shit. You they get? Calm down.
So because say you don't do finish. You don't wipe my leg finish now. Now why you tell me say make I calm down? Oga, I beg, no provoke me. No provoke me. I no get joy this period. I beg, pay me, Jared. Make I do.
I no blame you. I no blame you. No be 7,000. Chinedu.
Are come?
Come. You see this ATM card? Go with us 7,000. Now the last money they inside here. You dey get? No go, Mazie me shop. Go find another POS shop to do this thing. You dey get? What's your talk?
Man, no go Mazie me shop.
Collect. What you want? 7,000 fast.
So I go there here, they wait for your brother. May your brother come back.
You know wait before you want. Oh yeah, they go now.
He dey mad. I be the craze.
Oh, wow.
You know say people they wait for me. So make I because of you now I go lose other customers.
That one no concern me.
You will be 1 minute man.
I be 1 minute man.
Nonsense.
You see, I don't mark your face. I no blame you. You see, next time, I no go carry you again.
Pay me my own. Be say pay me. I no even. I no care how many minutes where you dey. Pay me. May I dey give you? I dey do. I beg. Time na money.
No wahala.
Call you.
May not bring the money. I give you. May get out from my house.
You don't know. You don't know why you know.
Where the money?
Which money?
Try me use money.
I find place where I go do PS. I no see. I can't say man Kokuma go Mazie me shop go do the PS.
You dey imagine this boy?
See, if you see the mad do. See, this one wey your brother talk no consign me. Wetin concern me na my money? Okay, give me my money. I no get joy o.
I tell her say me no go that man shop. Go and hold the man money. That's why I tell her say me no go. Just imagine this boy.
He even ask me where our house dey. I call director.
You director?
Where our house dey?
You can wish.
Well done. Okay, well done. No.
Oh, Abubu, not too much.
This my boy, you know the year what I send a message say, men go with one money. Now everybody tell me say, go your shop by mistake. So you seize the money.
Okay, but you not tell you I don't collect 7,000. Yes, wonderful. It remain 3,000. Give me.
See, I find out later now go see now man.
Let's say the mad.
Give me money, make a come here. I know they play here. If you watch me now, use pressure come your company. Give me money,
Wait, may you pay me first. Wait.
You don't sweat it, don't cost.
Give me money. Okay, do. I leave my shop open.
Waiting us there now my phone. Now my phone remain.
Okay, I don't collect my. This one na my own money. I don't collect them.
Madam, I don't want.
I don't collect.
Madam, bring me here. I come here with violence. Give me that phone.
Okay, I don't collect them. I don't get time for una talk, sef.
You just waiting for him.
Okay. See, I take my money.
You don't make
my money.
You don't make you don't collect my phone. You don't rest. Okay, no, I can't.
You are a mumu man.